everyone! For today, I will be showing you my Giltbox again. This is my March 2018 Giltbox. So if you want to see what's inside, just keep on watching. First of all, don't mind what's at the back. I know my bed is messy right now. Hindi ko pa inaayos, pero let's just not mind what's at my back. But we're gonna open this one, and this box is so cute. I really love it. It's so different because it's like this forest green color, and luckily my box didn't break, as in it's in good shape, and I'm gonna keep the box. I don't usually keep the boxes, but for this one I will be keeping, and it just has leaves on it. It's so nice. And then of course it has my name. If you're wondering how much the box is, usually it is 600 pesos kasi 500 plus 100 for shipping, but I got mine for 250 per box. That's why I have a lot of videos kasi I subscribed to 1 year, so for 12 months, 250 each yung boxes ko. Okay, so when you open it, it has a card as usual, and it says, "Go girl. This year, March is an extra special month, International Women's Month and Earth Hour Month. Two great reminders to celebrate all the strong women in our lives, from our mothers and sisters to our idols and inspirations. And of course, Mother Earth. Don't you love the box design?" Yeah, I love it. I love it so much. As for beauty, we made sure to include products that will help you in your journey to conquer the world, figuratively. Enjoy, XOXO, your Giltbox fam. So yeah, that's really cute, and again the card matches the box. And then inside, it's kind of heavy because it's really full. Let's see what's inside. First, I have a sample. This is the Boryong Mud Body Cleanser. Oh, this is for the body. So I thought it was a clay mask, but then this is a cleanser. So yeah, again, it's a packet thing. I am gonna try this out. I really thought this was a clay mask because it says clay, but then nakasulat pala dito body cleanser. So we're gonna try this out. I saw this in Annie's Giltbox before. This is the Miu Soul Manila. It's like 3 products or 3 sample sizes. So ito siya. So again, it's like sachets. We have the cleansing, moisturizing, whitening, whitening cleanser, or 3-in-1 whitening cleanser. We have the toner, and then the moisturizer. So these are sample sizes, or like packet sizes, and the selling price of this is $4.99 for the 100 ml for the cleanser, $6.99 for 150 ml of the toner, and then 749 pesos for 50 ml of the moisturizer. Wow. So it looks like this. Ayan sila. Yung sample sizes is, I don't know how much this is. Oh, 2 ml. Yeah, 2 ml each lang yung laman nito. Okay, so I think I'm gonna try this because it looks interesting, but it's kind of expensive. This is a Korean brand, or I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh yeah, it's a Korean brand because it says Anyong up here. Okay, so that's really cool. Sorry, I have colds, that's why my voice is different. And yeah, may sipon ako. Okay, what else is in here? I see this one. This is the Coco Line Naturals Body Wash. So if you didn't know, I already tried this out and I love it. Kasi yung mismong Coco Line, they sent me their products and I love their products. So this is I'm really happy that I received this kasi I'm almost gonna run out of my body wash, and ito yung favorite body wash ko nila. This is the Intense Moisturizing Coconut plus Milk plus Licorice. So yan. This is just the small size. I have the bigger size in the bathroom kasi that's what I use every day. Kaya ito, if ever ma-run out ako, meron akong backup. And then I see here this one. This is the Haru After Sun Soothing and Hydrating Spray, Aloe Vera, Green Tea, and Cucumber. So this is a sample size. Ayan siya. This has how many ml? It does not say. But I think this is just a sample. How to use, have fun under the sun, take a break, spritz this cooling and hydrating spray all over your body. If for some rare reason an irritation occurs, discontinue use and consult your dermatologist. So, I guess it's for just the body. Wait, let's see. Okay. The spray isn't that good kasi may parang, like, nakita nyo yan? Nope, you cannot see. It smells good. So I think this is just for, like, good for, like, sunburns and stuff. Or I don't know. Yeah, basta it's after sun. So, like, after sun. Basta this is, I think, good for summer. So, this is a really nice sample size. Yeah, I love this. I like that. I'm excited to try it. And it's not sticky. It absorbs the skin easily. I'm going to the beach or we're gonna go swimming for the Holy Week with family, so I'm gonna bring this with me. Okay, so I have just some more items here. You can see there's like coffee. I only have 4 here, but actually I opened this already and I gave 1 to my mom just to try. But it was 5 actually. So this is the Nice Day Coffee Slim. So this is a 6-in-1 coffee mix with CLA, fat burner, L-carnitine, fiber, and sucralose. So I don't really like coffee. I don't know why there's coffee here. Well, actually, I remember them saying that they wanted to try to add more yung mga food, drinks, or something. So I think yun yung nilalagay nila. Pero I don't drink coffee, but I will try this out. But it's for slimming kasi. Yeah, I don't know. That's weird that there's coffee in here. Okay, so last 2 items. I have this one. This is the Anagen Advanced Hair Rebuild System. This is a hair wax. I thought when I read this, it was gonna remove hair kasi nga wax. But then it says here, Anagen Hair Wax is blended with essential hair growth ingredients to activate hair follicles and regeneration while giving your hair excellent pliability and natural shine after every use. So I think it's like a hair treatment. So ayan siya. And it's a oh my gosh, it's a really good size, ha. It has 500 grams and it looks like this. Me and my mom really like hair treatments, so we're gonna try this out. Akala ko talaga pang tanggal siya ng hair though. Oh, that's really thick. Okay. Yeah. So that's a really good sample size. Or is this full size? I'm not sure. I've never seen this brand before. Okay. So lastly, okay. Wala nang laman. Ito na, last na. Lastly is another product from Artistry. I only tried their cleanser and I really like the cleanser. At first, I was kind of iffy about it, but then as I use it every day now since naubusan ako ng favorite cleanser ko. It's really nice actually. So I'm excited to try this one. This is the Artistry Hydra V Refreshing Eye Gel Cream. So I've been looking for an eye gel for under the eyes, and I finally have one. So yeah, it's just a small size, and this is 3 ml. So I guess sample size siya. So that's all for my Giltbox. I'm really happy with it. For $250, I think it's sulit. I think they're getting better, pero sometimes medyo weird. Inconsistent talaga sila. Sometimes maganda yung ibang boxes, sometimes hindi. Pero I think that's what subscription boxes do para hindi sila malugi. So, yun. This month's Giltbox is really good for me. So, yeah. That's it for today's video. I hope you like this, and if you like Giltbox unboxing videos, please tell me below, or if you want me to stop. I still have a couple of boxes left. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this a thumbs up if you did like it. Comment below what else you want to see, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Sorry if may sipon. Oh my gosh, may sipon ako. Sinisipon ako. Oh my gosh. Ah! Bye!